This is a real problem, not enough space. And I think, would anybody know how much is enough space? We talk about 1.5 metres, but the highway code does advise drivers that when overtaking cyclists to give them as much room as a car. Drivers don't necessarily know that, and a very interesting story, I was coming up, I live in the Borders, and I was driving up to Edinburgh, and in front of me was a wee red car and a lady driver. Very, very sensible. She was well within the speed limit. She tootled along at 60. I was following her. And what I noticed was I'd spotted a cyclist up ahead myself, and no doubt she did too. And I watched her actually just move her car offline. She barely crossed over onto the opposite carriageway, and she pulled back in. And I thought to myself, that's a bit close. Half a mile later, that same driver braked, moved onto the opposing carriageway and pulled back in to avoid a pheasant that was running up the near side of the carriageway. Why? I think she was worried she would have killed the pheasant, but yet, on the other hand, did not afford the cyclist that same amount of room. So again, a lot of education needs to go on.